What steps can I take to repair my credit after bankruptcy? After successfully completing a Chapter 7 bankruptcy, a debtor has a clean slate with regard to discharged debts. However, they may find it difficult, if not impossible, to buy a new home, get a credit card, etc., due to the damage to their credit. Repairing credit after a bankruptcy is challenging, but doable. Here are some strategies on how to start. Be patient. In most cases, it may have taken years for a debtor to get themselves into the financial condition that created the need for bankruptcy. Repairing credit won't happen overnight either. Pay monthly bills on time. Do everything you can to live within your means and pay monthly bills on time. If you still struggle to come up with the money to pay monthly essentials like the electric bill, start thinking about developing a more realistic budget. Develop a realistic budget and stick to it. Sound budgeting is critical. A post-bankruptcy debtor has already had to take a long, hard look at their finances. Now is the perfect time to make realistic spending choices based on monthly income. Work on reducing monthly expenses by eliminating luxury items and working to pay off any car loans, etc. Apply for secure credit. Though it may be difficult to get a new credit card, secured credit may be easier to come by. A secured credit account is one where the holder puts money on deposit at the time a card is issued. You are then limited to charging only the balance amount. Work on paying it off each month. Apply for a small loan after time passes. If you've stuck to your budget and have paid off your monthly secured credit account, start thinking about applying for a smaller loan, like for a car. This can help boost your credit rating. It goes without saying, if you secure the loan, make sure you make the monthly payments on time. Credit repair is possible after a bankruptcy with patience and perseverance. Please contact our office today for more answers regarding your bankruptcy case.